Hello everyone, welcome to mymirrorclub.com. In this tutorial I'm going to fully explain how custom requests work. You do not need to be a member. Uh, any of our features in here, actually you don't need to be a member. We don't force anyone to be a member. You can pay per use on anything. Let's get to it. It's fairly easy. All you have to do is log in with your Facebook and you will come into this editor where everything happens here. So you can, number one, you can go to animations and templates and you can see in here all the templates and animations. If you don't see anything you like, we have hundreds and hundreds of them. Then what you do is you go to a custom request, right? This is basically for people that needs custom. Uh, we don't have it. Mind you, please look into all our templates and animations first. It's only right now $10 for if you do it yourself. It's very easy. All you do is you make a request and please one item per request. So it's either animation or template. We don't have sets. If you want set, you request animation and then you request template. So that's not an issue. So you will have to have two requests, right? So let's say you want to request a template and your event is in 3 days. Okay, keep in mind because of high volume right now, we don't take requests less than 48 hours. So we need at least 48 hours to fill in your request. And now we need you to type the description. So very important to avoid many revisions. You would put as much information as possible. It is very important. So you will put, I need one vertical photo template for birthday party. I need blue colors with blue balloons. All right, with blue balloons, and I need I need uh, I need on the left bottom some green leaves. Okay, and I need also I need the frame silver. Okay, so make sure be specific, one vertical photo or two vertical photo, one horizontal photo. Be very very specific here what you need, so this way we can uh, we can do it fairly fast and you can get going with and download it, right? So this template, it's in today's your event, for example. So you will submit a request, right? So once you submit request, we are right away get email. Our designers are on standby, and in here is your information of what you requested, right? I bypass the payment, so when you submit, you have to pay, and then we get the request. So just so you make sure, this is an example that I'm doing, so I bypass the payment. So now the designer got your request, and we're going to fill the request, And now you're going into the custom request. As you see, it's green. And I uploaded for you the what you asked for, exactly what you asked for. If you need changes, you request changes here, right? If you okay with this, you finalize it and you download it, right? Keep in mind deleting it, you void everything, and as you see, are you sure you want to delete this custom request? There is no refund to already accepted requests, right? So once we accept the request and you pay, there is no refund because we're working on it, and that wouldn't be fair for the designers, right? So let's say you want slide request. You can actually chat in here. Uh, thank you for the template, for example, right? So you can actually, it's a live chat with the designer. So the designer gets your request and your chats as well. So keep in mind each version has its own chat section. So if you make changes, you can make changes here. You actually have to request change, which is right here. So if I request change, right, I'm going to put uh, everything is good. I just I just need you to put happy birthday John, for example, right? At the bottom. And you're going to do change request, right? So now you changed request. I'm going to close that. So now you can only chat in here. This is the second version. That was the first version. Now is the second version. You can chat in here about uh, sorry, it wasn't John. If you made a mistake in the request, for example, it was Johnny, right? Just 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 an example that you made mistake and you can correct it here by sending to designer, right? So now, of course, we're getting all emails for every single comment and everything, so we don't miss nothing. And I'm going to say, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. We will put Johnny, right? Okay, so, and you got also email that with the chat as well, so, right? So I said, okay, no problem, we'll put Johnny, right? Obviously that would be, this is my name, so it will be a designer, right? And this will be your name, this will be a designer talking to you, right? So now that you have two versions, right? And I'm going to actually fill with the same one. So it's green, right? So we got the second version uploaded. So this is the first version. This is the second one, right? So now you like this, and you're going to finalize it. So finalizing version number 2, right? And now you can download, right? So that's how easy it was. It's fully automated. Uh, we include the last version that we include chat between designer and the whoever requests. So this way there is communication between both parties, right? So if you forgot something, you can always, but keep in mind each version has its own chat. So this one, if you request it in here, second version, you will switch the chat to this version, right? And that's it. You can download and then you can delete it if you want, or keep it for future. This will be here. Hope you like it. Thank you.